It's Shelly. Welcome to my channel. What are we doing today? Today we are going to, oh my God, we're going to take a helicopter ride over Puerto Morelos. I'm like terrified, but super excited too. When we were out at Pescadores last week, when we were coming back on the highway, we noticed a helicopter pad, and Rick is just like, oh, he jumped out of the helicopter when he was in the army, and just one of those memories. And to me, it's just a terrifying thing to me. I'm afraid of heights and speed, but you know what? I have to put on my big girl pants and just get out there and do it. So that is what we are doing today, and we're going to take you along on the ride. And so very, very excited about this. And we're off. The helicopter pad is located off the federal highway south of Puerto Morelos on the northbound side. So coming from Puerto Morelos, you have to go past the Pescadores brewery and then turn back northbound to get to it. There isn't a lot of signage, so you have to be really careful you don't miss the turnoff. And there she is. Our first look at the whirlybird will be taken. My heart is in my throat here. Rick's excitement is rubbing off on me though, and I'm getting really excited. The helicopter holds 4 people, including the pilot. It was a lot smaller than I pictured it in my head, and this is our pilot. He's been flying for 24 years, so that was comforting. All the folks here were extremely friendly, and you could tell they were really excited for us. They let us take our time and take as many photos as we wanted before boarding. And we're off. Our taxi driver Alex took a video of our takeoff, and at the end of this video our landing, so stay tuned for that. Okay, now for the inside perspective. We headed up the coast toward Playa del Carmen. It was amazing from up here. I'm just going to let you enjoy the flight with us now. You can't tell here, but I'm smiling so hard behind that mask. The sea behind me is an incredible color. We're flying over the reef here. So awesome.
You are my pill, I swallow it. Take me away to Neverland, where colors fade my disbelief and make me forget my memories. Rent a car you can't afford, put on a song that we both know. Let your hair out in the wind, put the pedal to the floor. Flame your light and take a smoke.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. When the horizon tilts like that, we're flying sideways. I might have screamed a little bit there.
We can pretend that time is still. Stay in the daydream, chase the thrill. Make up the way as we go. Live for the moment, lose control. Rent a car you can't afford, put on a song that we both know. Let your hair out in the wind, put the pedal to the floor. Flame your light and take a smoke. Put your broken rib off, wafers on. Doesn't matter if the sun goes down. We'll still be up, still be up. Don't care about the place we found. We'll still be up.
Actually, I really wasn't scared at all. The views from up here were just so amazing. I didn't even think about being scared. Flying by all the resorts was really cool. And it's amazing how extensive the jungle and the mangroves are. I can't describe how incredible it was being up there. I highly recommend this excursion. It's a bit expensive at $115 per person for a 12-minute ride, but for us, it was an experience of a lifetime. We're coming back over the marina at Puerto Morelos here and flying over El Cid. The pilot asked us where we lived and we said La Colonia, so he flew us over there. Crossing over the mangroves was really cool. I spotted and pointed out the Chedraui at the highway. He flew us over the town and specifically over Villas La Playa, where our house is, but we couldn't spot it. We'll have to go over the video in slow motion so we can find it. He did a couple of flyovers, so that was really neat. Let me know in the comments if you can spot your house. We're headed back to the helipad now. We did get a quick glimpse of the port side on the way back. The photos I was able to get were amazing. Coming in for our landing here. Incredible. Thanks for watching, and I'll put the link below for the tour. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Also, you can join my Facebook group below for updates on what's coming up on the channel. Thanks again for watching. I beat it. I did it. I'm so proud of myself.